Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Morning routine before school. Wake up at least 1 or 2 hours before you have to leave. Make your bed. Stretch or do light workouts. Stretch to wake up your body. Take shower. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Clean your face to feel fresh. Do your skincare. Eat breakfast. Drink water. Drink some water to feel fresh. Wear your uniform and get ready. If you don't have uniform, wear something cute and comfortable. Do your hair. Choose simple style that won't take too much time. Do simple and natural makeup. Use tint and sunscreen. Use perfume. Pack your bag. Prepare your lunch. Check your school schedule. Look at what classes you have today. Look over homework. Quickly check if you have any homework left. Check your school supplies. Make sure you have pencil, pen, and notebook. Use phone. Use phone or listen to music if there is time left. Leave home on time. Don't be late. Having a well-organized morning routine can set a positive tone for your entire day. By waking up early, staying calm, and following these simple steps, you can start school feeling prepared and focused. A good routine not only helps you avoid stress, but also makes your mornings more productive and enjoyable.